Joel, look at this.
What? What's wrong?
The booking. How many nights did you book?
2, Friday and Saturday, obviously.
Read this screen.
1 night.
1 night.
That can't be right. I made sure.
Did you? Did you actually make sure?
I assumed it was 2 nights.
You assumed.
Anna.
Joel, we are in Miami. We have 1 hotel night, and it is Friday.
I'll fix it. I'll fix it right now.
Joel, wake up. Our flight is at noon.
I'm awake. Completely awake.
You were snoring 10 seconds ago.
I was thinking loudly. Did you pack the sunscreen?
On my list, sunscreen, swimwear, sandals, the beach bag.
Good. I need to make sure I have my travel documents.
Passport,
Here?
flight confirmation,
On my phone?
hotel booking.
Also on my phone.
Joel, make sure you check the dates on that booking.
Anna, I booked it 2 weeks ago. It's fine.
I have a feeling.
You always have a feeling. Go shower. We need to leave by 9.
Good morning. Passports and booking references, please.
Here, Harris, 2 passengers, flight to Miami.
Perfect. Any bags to check?
Just this one. Can we make sure we get seats together?
Let me check. You're in row 18, middle and aisle. Would you prefer window and middle?
Yes, please. I like the window.
I can move you to row 12, window and middle. No extra charge.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Any upgrade to extra legroom? $28 each.
Is it a long flight?
2 hours and 40 minutes.
We'll be fine. We don't need it. Joel, just in case my legs get stiff.
2 hours 40, we're fine.
Okay, your legs, your choice. Look at that. We're above the clouds.
Beautiful. My knees are still pressed against the seat, though.
Stop thinking about your knees. Look at the sky.
I made sure we had snacks, by the way.
You did?
Trail mix. And 2 chocolate bars.
Joelle, that's actually very good.
I'm learning.
From who?
You. Slowly. Over many years.
What are we doing first when we land?
Check in. Drop the bags. Then the beach. Immediately.
Did you make sure the hotel has early check-in? Our flight lands at 2.
I assumed check-in was after 2?
Standard check-in is usually 3 or 4 o'clock.
We might have to wait.
Just in case we do, I packed a beach bag in my hand luggage. We can go straight to the beach while we wait.
You packed a beach bag in your hand luggage?
Just in case.
I assumed you overpacked. You were actually just encasing.
That's not a word.
It should be.
Okay, I need a proper beach bag. My everyday bag is too small.
First time in Miami?
Is it that obvious?
You're smiling too much. Most locals look tired. What are you looking for?
A beach bag. Big enough for towels, sunscreen, water, snacks.
This woven tote, water resistant, fits everything. And it's on sale today.
How much normally?
$45. Today it's $32.
I'll take it. And a wide brim hat?
The sun here is intense. Make sure you get SPF in the hat lining too.
There's SPF inside a hat?
These ones have it. Protects your scalp. Most people don't think to check.
I learn something new every day. Just in case the sun is stronger than we expect, 2 hats?
1 each. Smart. Total for bag and 2 hats. $74.
Done. Thank you.
Stay hydrated and make sure you reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. The Miami Sun forgets nothing.
Joel, look at this water.
It doesn't look real.
It's so warm. I've never been in water this warm.
Did you put sunscreen on?
Of course, did you?
I assumed the cloud cover would be enough.
Joel, there are no clouds.
There were some earlier.
Here,
You brought a spare.
just in case.
You are an extraordinary human being.
I know. Apply it properly. Don't just rub it on your nose. The water. Let's go.
How deep does it get?
I assumed it gets deep slowly. It looks calm.
You said assumed?
That's different. That's a reasonable assumption.
They're all reasonable at the time. Hi. Table for two. Harris?
Good evening. Let me check. I don't see a reservation under Harris.
I booked online. Last week.
I'm not seeing it. What email did you use?
My work one. Joel.Harris.
Joel. Did you make sure the booking confirmed? Did you get an email back?
I assumed it went through?
Joel.
The website said booking submitted.
Submitted is not confirmed. I'm sorry, sir. Without a confirmed booking, we're fully booked tonight.
Is there anything at all?
We had one cancellation, a window table for 2. It just came in 10 minutes ago.
We'll take it. Absolutely.
It does have the best view of the sunset. Follow me.
Next time, I will make sure. I promise.
Just in case, I'm taking a photo of this view.
Just in case of what?
Just in case no one believes us.
One night. Okay, I can fix this.
Is there a problem?
I assumed I booked 2 nights. The booking shows 1.
Let me look at what we have available. I do have your room free for a second night. Same rate.
Perfect. Can we add it now?
Of course. And because of the confusion, I'll add a complimentary late checkout on Sunday, 1 p.m. instead of 11.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Of course. And your room is ready now. Early check-in, no extra charge. Floor 8, ocean view balcony.
Balcony?
One of our nicest rooms. Here are your keys.
Ocean view balcony.
I know, because you assumed wrong.
I know.
And we got the best room.
I know.
Next time, make sure.
Next time, I will make absolutely sure.
And just in case you don't,
You'll check.
I'll always check.
This is the best time at the beach, before everyone arrives.
Just us and the ocean.
Did you make sure you have the room key?
Yes, I made sure. Twice.
Good.
I'm learning. Very slowly, but I'm learning.
You remembered the sunscreen this morning.
Without being asked.
I noticed.
I also brought an extra water bottle, just in case.
Joel Harris, you just encased.
It felt right.
How did it feel?
Organized. A little bit organized.
That's the best feeling.